नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं श्वेता पापरीवाल आपसे आने वाले आईपीओ क्राफ्ट्समैन ऑटोमेशन लिमिटेड के बारे में बात करूंगी। क्राफ्ट्समैन ऑटोमेशन का यह आईपीओ मार्च 15 को ओपन होगा और मार्च 17 को क्लोज होगा। अगर आपने हमारे YouTube चैनल IIFL मार्केट्स को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी करिए ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी आईपीओ की डिटेल्स मिलती रहे। Friends, Craftsman is a diversified engineering company with vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities engaged in three business segments. First, automotive powertrain and other segment. Second, automotive aluminum product segment. And third, industrial and engineering segment. Craftsman is the largest player involved in the machining of cylinder blocks and cylinder heads in the intermediate, medium and heavy commercial vehicle segment as well as in the construction equipment industry in India. The company is also among the top 3-4 component players with respect to machining of cylinder block for the tractor segment in India. The key customers of Craftsman include domestic and global OEMs like Tata Motors, Tata Cummins, M&M, TVS Motors, Royal Enfield, Escorts, Ashok Leyland, VE Commercial Vehicles, TAFE Motors and Tractors, etc. The company was incorporated in the year 1986 and currently owns and operates 12 strategically located manufacturing facilities across 7 cities in India that are close to some of its key customers. The company's strengths are diversified engineering company with a focus on providing comprehensive solutions and manufacturing high quality, integrate and critical products, components and parts. Second, strong in-house process and product design capabilities with the ability to interchange capacity and product mix. Third, long-term and well-established relationships with marquee domestic as well as global OEMs. And fourth is extensive manufacturing footprint with strategically located manufacturing facilities. The key growth strategies for the company are: first, leverage vertically integrated manufacturing and engineering capabilities to tap the growing opportunities for aluminum usage in the automotive, aluminum products and industrial and engineering segments. Second, increase wallet share and acquire new business by leveraging existing OEM relationships and adding new customers. Third, tap growing opportunities in storage solutions industry. And fourth is to continue to reduce operating costs and improve operational efficiencies. Let us now discuss the IPO details. The IPO will open on March 15th and close on March 17th. The anchor book will open and close on March 12th. The price band of the IPO is Rs 1,488 to Rs 1,490 per equity share. The issue size at the higher end of the price band is Rs 824 crore, of which fresh issue is of Rs 150 crore and offer for sale is for Rs 674 crore. The lot size of the IPO is 10 shares. So friends, you can apply to this IPO through IIFL Markets app. Thank you.